Hey there, explorers! Dive into the amazing world of amphibians. These creatures have unique and diverse lifestyles. Amphibians have extraordinary abilities and play crucial roles in ecosystems. From slimy frogs to colorful salamanders, they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Amphibians start in water, breathing through gills, then transform to live on land. Their ability to transition between two worlds is magical. With sticky tongues, they catch prey quickly, and their skin can change color. Explore their slimy skin, transformations, and their role in controlling insect populations. Let's hop to it.
Have you ever heard of an animal living a double life? Well, amphibians do. These fascinating creatures are unique in the animal kingdom because they can thrive both in water and on land. Imagine being able to swim like a fish and then hop around on land like a frog. That's the incredible life of an amphibian. The word amphibian actually means double life in Greek. This term perfectly describes their amazing ability to transition between two very different environments. Amphibians start their lives in water, where they hatch from eggs and begin their journey as aquatic larvae. But what does a double life even mean? It means that these creatures undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. For example, a tadpole, which looks like a tiny fish, will gradually change into a frog, developing legs and lungs in the process. It means that amphibians spend part of their lives in the water and part of their lives on land. They are super adaptable. This adaptability allows them to exploit different habitats and resources, making them incredibly versatile survivors. When they are young, they breathe underwater like fish. They have gills that allow them to extract oxygen from the water, which is essential for their survival in their early stages. As they get older, they develop lungs and can breathe air on land. How cool is that? This transition is not just about breathing, it also involves changes in their skin, diet, and behavior. Amphibians truly lead a double life, mastering both aquatic and terrestrial worlds.
Amphibians have some amazing superpowers that help them survive in their two different worlds. One of their coolest features is their slimy skin. It might feel a bit strange to us, but that sliminess is important. It helps them stay moist when they're out of the water. Plus, some amphibians even have poison glands in their skin to protect themselves from predators. Talk about a super suit.
There are so many different types of amphibians out there. Can you think of any? Frogs and toads are probably the first ones that come to mind. They hop around, catch insects with their long tongues, and make all sorts of cool sounds.
But there are also salamanders, which look a bit like lizards but with smooth skin. And then there are caecilians, which look like worms but with backbones. They live underground and are super good at digging. One of the most incredible things about amphibians is how they grow and change. They go through an amazing transformation called metamorphosis. It all starts with an egg, laid in water or a damp place. From the egg hatches a tiny tadpole with a tail. The tadpole swims around, eats, and grows bigger. Slowly it starts to develop legs and lungs. Eventually it loses its tail and becomes an adult frog, toad, salamander, or caecilian. Amphibians are found all over the world. They adapt to many environments, from rainforests to deserts. They love damp places to keep their skin moist. This helps them breathe and stay hydrated. You'll find them near ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. Water is crucial for their life cycle.
Some live in rainforests, deserts, and mountains. They adapt to moisture, heat, and cool areas. Amphibians are adaptable. They burrow, hibernate, and find ways to survive. Their diet varies. Small ones eat insects. Larger ones eat fish or other amphibians. Insects are a favorite snack. They provide protein and are easy to find. Frogs use their long, sticky tongues to catch flies. It's a quick and efficient way to eat. Hey there, explorers! Did you know that some frogs can jump over 20 times their own body length? That's like you jumping over a car. Pretty amazing, huh? And some salamanders can regrow their tails if they lose them. How cool is that? Here's another fun fact. Some frogs are poisonous. They have bright colors to warn predators to stay away. And some toads have bumpy skin that looks like warts, but it's just their way of camouflage.
Even though they might seem small and slimy, amphibians are super important for our planet. They are like the superheroes of the ecosystem. They help keep insect populations in check, which is important for farmers and our food supply. They are also a food source for other animals like snakes, birds, and fish. Plus, their skin can be used to make medicines. Amphibians are a vital part of the delicate balance of nature.
Congratulations, explorers! You've learned so much about the amazing world of amphibians. You now know that these double-life creatures are important, fascinating, and a little bit slimy too. So go out there and spread the amphibian love. Share what you've learned with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can all keep exploring the wonders of nature together.